going on, guys? Welcome to the video. If this is your first time, my name is Lowell. I'm a travel filmmaker. I'm a travel blogger. So today I welcome you guys to Las Casas Filipinas. So this is really very interesting, guys, because these houses are really like originally built from different places in Manila, and then they spend a lot of money just to transfer the raw materials and everything just to build a new house again here in this place in BATAAN. And that is really, it costs a lot of money, you know, just to transfer all those raw materials like this one, you know, all the chandelier and all the everything is here. So they transfer from different country, I mean from different places all over the Philippines. They transport it and put it here and they rebuild. So that one is really, it will cost you a lot of money, right? But then they're trying to like preserve as much as they can, and according to them that some of it are really like they just replicate it because it's not possible any longer to transfer the remaining materials for this one. So they're trying to like replicate, and also some they're trying to add on, but to stay the original version of the house. And it's really fascinating, guys, you know, because you know that is really, these are like Spanish architectural design, and it's kind of interesting, and I highly recommend it, guys, that you visit this area here. It's Las Casas de Filipinas, meaning to say it's a Philippine houses. See, these are all like from original long few hundreds before houses, you know. Actually, that's why when I first time I saw this online, right, so I told myself I must visit this one of this, and today is that day. Awesome, guys, awesome, highly recommended. Exploring more. Whew, tired, but it's awesome, guys. So guys, these are all like a resort, a hotel. Yes, you can actually spend the night here or a few nights, you know. The concept is quite interesting, right? It feels like you're transported back in time. So if you're interested to spend the nighttime here, guys, you can check their website as well. Take a look at this, guys. It's so beautiful, it's so nice. The feeling is timeless, you know. Look at this amazing place here. It reminds me of Venice, right? Look. You can do wedding there, a garden wedding if you like. This is amazing, but I'm so exhausted already. So I'm here inside, guys, you know, just to look at this amazing place, you know. It's all made of wood and it's kind of awesome. Look guys, these are all like original raw materials. Maybe at least like 80%, 70% or 60%. It's amazing, you know, it's amazing. I remember my grandma's houses back in our hometown. It's actually made of something like this. Yeah, I miss our home there, our house there. I'm here at the top floor already, guys. Look at that, amazing. So I heard from the local just now, my fellow countrymen, this place was like, they have the epic summit, you know, back in 2015, and they held it here. Whew, that was amazing, guys, right? I'm here outside already. The wind is windy. It's nice. I'm tired. I can actually go to the beach, but I already went to the beach. And you know, for a change, just trying different, just this kind of things, right? Okay, guys. So how to travel to this place? Travel to Olongapo City. I rode a jeepney, a yellow jeepney. Yes, it's a yellow. You can ask the local around where to ride the yellow jeepney. Then after that, you ask the driver to like drop you in the main gate. Yes, told them main gate. Then after that, you can walk there, guys. You can like further walk. Then ask the local where to go to Morong. Yes, there's a bus area there. It's just a small one. Then ask them, you go to Morong. And then after that you can walk. It's in front of the green building, you know, it's in front. You just ask the local there. And then also after when you reach Morong, right, just straight away ask the driver to send you to Morong bus terminal. Yes, it's just a small place. And then after that you wait for the bus to Balanga. Yes, Balanga, BATAAN. Okay, so then you can talk to the driver and you ask them, they drop you to Las Casas de Filipinas. Okay, and then after that you can like walk, or you can just hire a tricycle. It's very cheap only, and yes, it will send you here. And also, guys, it cost me like 2,500 peso, maybe around 70 Singapore dollars. And because it's a weekend, so the charges are quite different. So if you come over like weekdays, maybe it's a bit cheaper. Maybe less, that cost you 2,000 below. Huh? Okay, so there you go, guys. Awesome. Okay, I'm going back now. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell button so that you get notified every time I have a new video. And also, guys, click the video on the screen. Whew, tired.